This is Mrs. Musgrove's case, so.
Yes, I have notes on it.
No, I was just letting the court know that you're gonna read off notes, so.
Correct.
You gonna put his tablet on that table over
Actually,
there that he's carrying?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay, good morning. We're on the record in cause number 314908-2, the state of Texas versus Colton LeBlanc. Mr. LeBlanc, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. LeBlanc, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Okay, Mr. LeBlanc, you may put your hand down. Mr. LeBlanc, your case is on the motion to revoke probation docket. And Ms. Barlow and Ms. Ramos, what is the state's position? Are y'all moving?
The state's position is that we want restitution paid in this case, and that's the biggest thing that's outstanding. And so the state's been requesting all along that he take care of the restitution in the case.
Okay.
Judge,
Mr.
he currently, in my understanding from talking with the state, is he has currently a balance, I believe, of $451 remaining on his restitution. Mr. LeBlanc is willing to pay it. He just needs time to do so. He's currently living basically off of VA disability. So we could probably get with probation and work with them some sort of review docket kind of situation is the best way to describe it, where we can come back maybe once a month and check in, make sure he's making his payments, and that should give him, several months to do so.
Okay, now, Ms. Barlow,
Yes, sir.
you've been working with Mr. LeBlanc. Is there any amount per month that the probation department is going to be agreeing that he make in reference to the restitution?
We would ask that he pay as much as he can. This HRP has been being reset over 2 years now.
Right?
And we'd like him to pay as much as he can to get it paid.
Okay, Mr. Terry, do you have an amount?
What I was going to
Because,
suggest to the court is kind of like I do with any sort of amortization, make it $100 payment a month and then tell him to pay extra. But that way, once the court orders it, that's the amount that he has to pay, and he would get sideways if he were to go
Now,
anything less, $100 a month.
okay, now, Mr. LeBlanc, would you be able to make the $100 payment per month on this case?
Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. LeBlanc, what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset now. We're gonna reset this case for 30 days and give you an opportunity to make the monthly payments, okay? Now, Mr. LeBlanc, I think the last time you was here, I think that was prior to your attorney being appointed, you was taken into custody. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, and the reason why you was taken into custody is because of, I think of a refusal to take a drug test.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if the court asks you to take a drug test today, would you be positive or negative?
Probably positive.
Okay. Now, also the court gave you the option to, I think you met Ozar, but actually you were supposed to meet with Ozar or Spindletop, one of those agencies, and I don't think you appeared because I received a document from them saying that you failed to appear. You remember that?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do, what I'm going to do in addition, he's paying the $100, but we're going to require him to have be screened by Ozar. Okay, and Ozar is going to make some recommendations.
Well, Judge, just for the courts where Mr. LeBlanc is treating through the VA and he is on prescription drugs, so that.
Oh, you are?
I have.
Yes, sir, that's what this is for. He is treating, I haven't had the chance to dive into his prescription catalog, but I suspect some of them in there will probably show up on the drug screen.
Okay. But what I still want to do is perhaps have him screened by Ozar And by the next time that we come here, we'll have that screening and they can provide us with a little bit more information, okay? Now, what I'm gonna have to do is, I don't have anybody from Spindletop in the courtroom today, but there is we do have a number, so would you be able to contact Lazar?
I have the number at my office, I don't have it with me.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we're gonna reset your case. You're gonna be paying $100 within the next 30 days. Report to Ms. Barlow. She's gonna give you time to report, and she's going to provide you with that information about Ozar and setting up the screening. Okay?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to get paid this month.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll talk.
Okay. All right. Just, your attorney could get your case reset, and then, Ms. Barlow, do you need to talk to him now?
I'm gonna give him my office number.
Okay.
So you